Hi students, good morning and welcome to another episode of English class. In the previous class we completed our second lesson and today we are moving on to the comprehensive part. Okay, first one is vocabulary ladder that we done it in the previous class and I will read the words and their meanings today. Okay, please listen. Take page number 17. All of you take page number 17. Page number 17. Recreation. First word is recreation. R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N. Recreation means activity that refreshes. Activity that refreshes. Next one is amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Feeling of surprise. Amazement means the feeling of surprise. Next one, skill. S-K-I-L-L. Skill. The ability acquired by training. Skill is the ability acquired by training. Next one, Braille. Braille is the system of writing and reading for the blind. What is Braille? Braille is the system of writing and reading for the blind. Next word is invent. I-N-V-E-N-T. Invent means come up with an idea, plan or theory. Come up with an idea, plan or theory. Next one, globe. G-L-O-B-E. Globe. There we live on. Okay. Then make sentences from the past. Following words. Sentence making. Next section is sentence making. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S. Sentence. C-N-T-E-N-C-E sentence. Making. M-A-K-I-N-G. Making. Sentence making. The first word is recreation. R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N. Which is the first word for sentence making? Recreation. R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N. Recreation. Playing chess is my main recreation. Playing chess. P-L-A-Y. First letter should be capital. Playing chess is my main recreation. Main recreation. R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N. Recreation. Which is the sentence made by the word recreation? Playing chess is my main recreation or chief recreation. Playing chess is my main recreation. Okay. The next word is amazement. Amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Amazement. Next word is amazement. She looked at her uncle with amazement. She looked at her uncle. Looked at her uncle. Looked at her uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle with amazement. With amazement. A-M-A-Z-E-M-E-N-T. Okay. Which is the sentence made by the word amazement? She looked at her uncle with amazement. Now you take your pencils and write down now. Okay. Then she looked at her uncle with amazement. She looked at her uncle with amazement. Amazement means the feeling of surprise. She is surprised on seeing her uncle and she looked at her uncle with amazement. Next word is skill. Skill. Third one. Skill. Skill. Skill means ability acquired by training. The school is looking for skilled teachers. The school is looking for the school is looking for skilled teachers. skilled teachers. TESHERS. Okay, the school is looking for skilled teachers. The new school, we can take one more word there. The new school, the new school, the new, N-E-W. The new school is looking for skilled teachers. The new school is looking for trained teachers, skilled teachers or able teachers. Okay, which is the sentence made by the word skill? The new school is looking for skilled teachers. The new school is looking for skilled teachers. Next word, invent. Fourth one, I-N-V-E-N-T. Which is the next word? Invent. I-N-V-E-N-T. What is the meaning of invent? Come up with a new idea, plan or theory. Invent. Louis Braille, L-O-U-I-S. Louis Braille, B-R-A-I-L-L-E. Is the name of a man. Louis Braille is the name of a man. Louis Braille invented I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D, invented Braille system, B-R-A-I-L-L-E, Braille system, S-Y-S-T-E-M. Okay, this is the sentence. Louis Braille invented Braille system. Louis Braille invented Braille system. Okay, the next word is globe. Fifth one, G-L-O-B-E, globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Globe, G-L-O-B-E, globe is the miniature. Miniature means small. M-I-N-I-A-T-U-R-E. M-I-N-I-A-T-U-R-E. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Miniature form of our planet. Which is our planet? Do you know what is the name of our planet? Our planet is Earth. We are living in the planet Earth. Okay. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Okay, listen here. Sentence making. First word, recreation. Sentence, playing chess is my main recreation. Next word is amazement. Sentence, she looked at her uncle with amazement. Next word is skill. The new school is looking for skilled teachers. Next word is invent. Louis Braille invented Braille system. Louis Braille invented Braille system. Next word is globe. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Okay. The next segment is pick the right answer. May I read this? All of you got this? I will read it once again. Recreation, playing chess is my main recreation. Amazement. She looked at her uncle with amazement. Skill. The new school is looking for skilled teachers. Invent. Louis Braille invented the Braille system. And globe. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Okay. Next segment is tick the correct answers. Tick the correct answers. Put a tick mark near the correct answers. Look at the page number 17. All of you look at page number 19. First one. The people who took the children around the school were the people who took the children around the school or who were the authorities we had seen in the school. Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown, option A. Option B, the teacher and the principal of their own school. What is the answer? Which is the correct option? First one, Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown. First one, Mr. Ahmad, A-H-M-E-D, Ahmad and A-M-D, and Mrs. Brown, B-R-O-W-N. Which is the correct option? First option is correct. Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown. Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown. Next one. The children at the blind school dash. Two options are given there. Were lazy and crying. First option. Then second option. Were very active and happy. Which one is correct? Second option is correct. Were very active and happy. Second option, second. Were, W-E-R-E, were very active, V-E-R-Y, very active, A-C-T-I-V-E, active and happy. Were very active and happy, H-A-P-P-Y, were very active and happy. Okay, the next one. They could read with a special method of writing called, or what is the name of the special system of writing for the blind? First option, Braille. Second option, to hear and say. Which is the correct option? Braille. Third one, Braille. B-R-A-I-L-L-E. Braille. B-R-A-I-L-L-E. Braille. Then fourth one. The blind children will grow up to be dash, dependent on others, self-dependent and good citizens. Which may be correct? Self-dependent. That means, what is the Malayalam word for self-dependent? Swayam Paryaptamaya. Self-dependent and good citizens. Fourth one. Self-dependent, S-C-L-F. Self-dependent. There is no need to write in the text. You should put a tick mark near the right option. Self-dependent. D-E-P-E-N-D. Self-dependent and good citizens. G-O-O-D. Good citizens. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N-S. Good citizens. Okay. I will read the 4 sentences once again. You please listen to the text. The people who took the children around the school were Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown. The children at the blind school were very active and happy. They could read with a special method of writing called Braille. The blind children will grow up to be self-dependent and good citizens. Is it clear? Yes. Then take the next page, page number 18. Where did the children grow? Yesterday, in the previous class, we discussed the question answers, 2 or 3 question answers, and the rest we can do it now. Where did the children go? Answer: the children went into a special school for the blind. The children went into a special school for the blind. Next question. What was Mrs. Brown doing? What was the answer? Mrs. Brown was helping the blind children. Mrs. Brown was helping the blind children. The next one. What is Braille? All of you know the answer. What is Braille? Say the answer loudly. Braille is a special system of writing and reading using fingers for the blind. Braille is the system of writing and reading meant for blind people. Okay. Then next question. How do they know where are the rivers and mountains on the globe? How do they know? Fourth question. How do they know? All of you listen here. How do they know? They know. How do they know Where are the rivers and mountains on the globe? Where are the rivers and mountains? The rivers, R-E-V-E-R-S, rivers and mountains, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains on the globe. On the globe. Okay, this is the question. Which is the fourth question? How do they know or how do they identify? How do the blind identify the rivers and mountains on the globe? How do they identify the rivers and mountains on the globe? They feel the rivers and the mountains with their fingers. Answer. The blind students feel the rivers and mountains. Rivers and mountains The blind students feel the rivers and the mountains with their fingers. Mountains with their fingers. T-H-E-I-R there. T-H-E-I-R there. Fingers. Okay, look at the question and answer. Look at the fourth question and answer. How do they? Who is the they here? The blind students. How do they know where are the rivers and mountains on the globe? The blind students feel the rivers and mountains with their fingers. Feel the rivers and the mountains with their fingers. We can, if you want, you can take mountains on the globe with their fingers. The blind students feel the rivers and the mountains on the globe with their fingers. Okay, on the globe you can add 1-2 words. Mountains and rivers on the globe. G-L-O-B-E. On the globe with their fingers. Look at the question answer. The blind students feel the rivers and the fingers on the globe with their fingers. They feel with their fingers. Okay. Then let's move on to the next question and answer. Let us find out the next question and the answer for that. Which is the fifth question. Can you read the fifth question? Can anybody? How do the blind children see that plants grow? How do the blind children see the plants grow? How do the blind children? Fifth question. How do H-O-W, how do the blind children, the blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, blind children, how do the blind children see the plants grow? See the plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants grow. How do the blind children see the plants grow? How do they see the plants grow? Then another question was, how do they understand what they look like? How do they, can the blind see the lovely plants? The children love to feel the little leaves. They water them and know when the little buds blossom. They love to feel the little leaves. The blind children feel the growth of plants. Feel the growth of G-R-O-W-T-H. Feel the growth of plants by touching them. touching and watering them, touching and watering them. Okay, the blind children feel the growth of plants. They feel the growth of plants. They couldn't see. They couldn't use their eyes. They feel with their fingers. They touch the leaves. Then they feel them. How did they feel? By touching and watering. Here watering is used as a verb. And watering them. While watering the plants, they touch them and know that the plant is growing. Okay. This is the fifth question. I will read the question and answers once again. You please listen. How do the blind children see the plants grow? The blind children feel the growth of plants by touching and watering them. By touching and watering them. Which is the next question? Next question is, what instruments were played by the blind children? Name of the instruments, musical instruments played by the blind children. Sixth question. What W-H-A-T, what instruments, I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S, what instruments were played by the blind children? Were played by, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played by the blind children, by the blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. The plural is children. The singular form of children is child. Okay, this is the sixth question. What instruments were played by the blind children? Which were the instruments played by the blind children? The instruments played by the blind children, or we can write the name of the instruments first. Violin, piano, drum and flute were the instruments played by the blind children. Okay, violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin. Which were the instruments played by the blind children? Violin. Then, which is the next one? Piano, violin, V-I-O-L-I-N, violin, piano, drum, D-R-U-M, drum, and flute, F-L-U-T-E. Which were the instruments played by the blind students? Violin, piano, drum, and flute were the instruments, W-E-R-E, were the instruments, I-N-S-T-R-U-M-E-N-T-S, were the instruments played by the, P-L-A-Y-E-D, played by the blind students, blind children, played by the blind children, B-L-I-N-D-C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Okay, where the instruments played by the blind children. Look at the sixth question and answer. What instruments were played by the blind children? Which are the instruments named? Violin, piano, drum and flute were the instruments played by the blind children. Okay, is it clear? Then which is the last question? The last question is, who was Louis Braille? What did he do? Who was Louis Braille? Louis Braille was the inventor of the Braille system of reading and writing. Louis Braille was the inventor of a system of reading and writing for the blind people. So he is known as the inventor of Braille system. Okay, Braille system, Louis Braille. And what did he do? He invented a new system of writing and reading for the blind people. Filling the blanks with the correct word from the lesson. It was a dash at the school. Dash at the school. It was, say, it was It was a playtime at the school. It was a playtime at the school. It was a dash at the school. In the first dash, you write playtime. It was a playtime at the school. Okay, page number 18, exercise C. Page number 18, C. It was playtime at the school. Playtime. Playtime. P-L-A-Y-T-I-M-E. Playtime. It was playtime at the school. Mr. Ahmad led the dash to the dash building. Visitors to the recreation building. Second dash, visitors. V-I-S-I-T-O-R-S. Visitors. Visitors to the recreation building. R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N. Recreation building. In the first dash you write playtime. In the second dash you write visitors. In the third dash you write recreation. Then the sentence is, it was playtime. Mr. Ahmad led the visitors to the recreation building. In the dash, several boys were dash a need. In the gymnasium. This is the first one. Then this is the second one. In the gymnasium, G-Y-M-N-A-S-I-U-M. In the gymnasium, several boys were practicing for a track meet. Practicing. Next dash, you write P-R-A-C-T-I-C-I-N-G. Practicing. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-I-N-G. Practicing for a track meet. T-R-A-C-K. In the third dash, you write track meet. Okay. What is the sentence? Which is the next sentence? Second sentence, read it loud. In the gymnasium, several boys were practicing for a track meet. In the first dash, you write gymnasium. In the second one, you write practicing. And in the third one, you write track. Okay. In the gymnasium, several boys were practicing for a track meet. Which is the third sentence? In the dash room, a boy was playing the dash and a girl was playing the dash. Third one. In the music room. In the music room. Music. In the first dash, you write M-U-S-I-C. Music. In the first dash, you write M-U-S-I-C. In the music room, a boy was playing the violin. In the second dash, you write violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. In the second dash, you write violin. A boy was playing the violin and a girl was playing the piano. P-I-A-N-O. P-I-A-N-O. Then the sentence will become, in the music room, a boy was playing the violin and a girl was playing the piano. Okay, I'll read the three sentences once again. You listen to what you write. It was playtime at the school. Mr. Ahmad led the visitors to the recreation room. In the gymnasium, several boys were practicing for a track meet. In the music room, a boy was playing the violin and a girl was playing the piano. Okay, what are the things we studied today? What are the things we studied today? Can you say? The meanings. The meanings. Which are the words and their meanings? First word is recreation, activity that refreshes. Then amazement, the feeling of surprise. Skill, the ability acquired by training. Braille, system of writing and reading for blind people. Invent, came up with an idea, plan or theory. Globe, the earth we live on. Then sentence making. Recreation, playing chess is my main recreation. Amazement, she looked at her uncle with amazement. Skill, the new school is looking for skilled teachers. Invent, Louis Braille invented the Braille system. Globe. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. Globe is the miniature form of our planet. And next one. Take the correct answers. I read once again. The people who took the children around the school were Mr. Ahmad and Mrs. Brown. The children at the blind school were very active and happy. Then next, they could read a special method of writing called Braille. The blind children will grow up to self-dependent and good citizens. Okay, next one. Now filling the blanks with the correct words from the lesson. It was playtime at the school. Mr. Ahmad led the visitors to the recreation building. In the gymnasium, several boys were practicing for a track meet. In the music room, a boy was playing the violin and a girl was playing the piano. These are the things we studied in this class, and let us wind up today and continue in the next class. The most important thing is you should do all the works on the same day when the video come to you. Okay, you do the exercises in the same day, and you send the photo of the textbook page on the day which I give. Okay, the work will be given to you. Let us wind up the class and continue in the next class. Thank you.